My heart is my heart. My heart is yours.
December 3, December the 3rd. Let's see what we got. We already opened the first and the second, and now this bad boy. This is really hard with one hand. And we got a little Santa. Come here, Santa. Come here, Santa. Get out. Oh my god, I love this tradition. And apparently today we have a package. Let's see what arrived in the mail. Woohoo! What a beautiful day. I was gonna record this video outside, but no. Super cold. That's a big no-no. Let's do it inside. What we have here. Let's see. I'm joking. I already know what it is. I just did that just to record for the video. I had opened the box before, sorry. Coffee? Okay, let's see what we have here. Ta-da! First thing in the box, GoPro Hero 9. Well, I know it's a little bit too late to be unboxing a GoPro Hero 9, talking about it since it's already 2 months out there. A lot of reviews, a lot of unboxing videos on YouTube, but I got this during the Black Friday. I know I failed. I'm a little against Black Friday, but oh, now the rain started. Right when I started the video. Thank you. Anyways, I have a GoPro Hero 7. I was not gonna upgrade to this one, but Black Friday deal came. There's a few things that I really don't like on my GoPro Hero 7. I'm gonna explain a little bit why I decided to upgrade to this one. First thing, I already liked it, the case. Not bad. Whoever had the GoPros before, I had the 3, the 5, the 6, the 7, now the 9. All the other boxes were terrible. It was like the glass box that you couldn't use for anything. It was hard to open. Thank you, GoPro. This is awesome. I am actually gonna use it. Quick pause to say that I got the bundle that they were offering during the Black Friday. It comes with a bunch of stuff like I'm gonna show now. Let's see. First you get this floating stick. Don't know if I'm gonna be using it or not. Maybe when I'm gonna go do some water activities. The camera itself, you have some mounts over here. Oh, 2 mounts, that's new. Usually they send 1, but I think because I got the bundle they sent 2, which is nice. One seems to be a little taller than the other. And this little screws, it's also new. The clip that I said. Why plastic? Why this much plastic, GoPro? Seriously. Did it actually need it to be in a plastic bag, this thing? I don't think so. And anyways. This is actually nice. I think I'm gonna be using it. 2 batteries, more plastic. But oh, batteries seem bigger. Let me compare it to the last one. Look at the size of the batteries. This is from the 7 and before. I believe the 6 and the 5 also use this one. And this is the new battery of the 9. And finally, let's see the camera. One quick comment that I would like to say is this little thing. Upgrading from the 7 to the 9, before I used to have to put the cover on top of the GoPro to have the access to the mount. And now I can only do this and already put it on a mount or anything. So this is useful. This is gonna help me a lot. And I forgot to say, there's also cables. Yeah, cable USB-C to USB. Let me take this off. And that's the card. 32 gig, stickers as usual. Of course, they want you to advertise them everywhere. And I end up doing, let's put 1 sticker on my computer. Looking nice. GoPro, if you're watching this, you should sponsor me. Think about it. Second thing on the box that I bought, ta-da! The media mod. And now it's time to talk about why I decided to upgrade from the 7 to the 9, and also my opinion if I think GoPro is a good camera for digital nomads or not. So, As a traveler and not a filmmaker, I don't consider myself a filmmaker, although I make videos, but not professionally. Anyways, because of that, I tend to travel light. I don't check in bags. I need to be compact. But look at the size of it. Look at the size. I have my backpack. I need to put clothes. I need to put my shoes. I need to put my computer. And I need to put my filming equipment. Would be a Canon, lessons, drone, camera, cables, spare batteries. It's too much. I usually travel with a 65 liters backpack, and I need to have more space. So, sorry Canon, I love you, I really do, but she's not coming with me to the next trips. Filmmakers are probably thinking, how dare you? I'm changing my Canon for a GoPro. If you intend to be a filmmaker, to make videos professionally, don't do that. I don't recommend to have just a GoPro. But I'm a traveler in the first place. I'm a digital nomad and I need to travel light. So that's the reason I decided to only bring my GoPro to the next trips. But then that's when we start having problems. If I only have my GoPro 7 for photos, I think it's okay. I wouldn't upgrade if it was just for the photos, adventure style photos. But if I want to use the camera to create videos, there's a few things that I really don't like with the 7. First thing, you don't have a frontal screen, right? So when you're vlogging, you don't know if you're on frame or not. Second thing, this little mount. This is gonna be really useful. And the third thing, and I would probably say is the main reason that it pissed me off a lot with the GoPro Hero 7, is the audio. The audio of this camera is just terrible. They have this windproof feature that it just doesn't work for me. Sometimes when it's some wind, it blocks my voice so you don't hear what I'm saying, and stuff like this would happen. So to have a better audio, I would have to have an adapter for the microphone. Look how beautiful it is. Look at this thing. Look at it. You needed to plug this and then... But anyways, that's one of the reasons I decided to upgrade to the 9. Now they have the media mod. Let's open the media mod. So now you can compare the sizes and the mounts. Before, after. GoPro Hero 7, GoPro Hero 9. Ta-da! This one is slightly bigger, but look way nicer, way better. And I hope better sound, better image quality. Responding why I upgraded and if it's a good camera for digital nomads. For me, for my personal use, vlogging, I think there's no competition, right? I hope I'm gonna have a better quality of audio. The stability of the 9, it's a big improve from the 7, which was already good. What's your purpose? If you want just take pictures, I don't think this is necessary. You can get a 7, a 6 or a 5. They're all good. I think they didn't change much in terms of pictures. But if you want to start making videos and if you're trying to decide if you're gonna upgrade from the 7 to the 9, yeah, like look at this again. I'm really happy with this mount. And yeah, there you go. This is the new mount of the GoPro Hero 9 with the media mod. So let's go outside and test it. Okay, so first footage of the GoPro Hero 9. I gotta say that I'm already liking a lot the frontal camera. Fuck, I didn't know I was gonna like it so much. Stop the fire! I'm already happy with these new features on this GoPro Hero 9. Once again, this is not a tech review. I'm not a professional filmmaker, but again, I'm here just to talk about if it's a good camera for a digital nomad or not. Just so you know, I'm doing this test with 4K, 24 frames per second with the built-in microphone. I don't know if the audio is good or not. Now I'm gonna test with the media mod. Let's see if it makes any difference. Do you notice any difference in the sound? I hope it does, because I invested in the media mod. And one of the things about GoPro is also the stabilization. Let's see how is the stabilization in the Hero 9. Let me run a little bit. And let's see a picture with the GoPro. Why not? Just so you know, I took all those pictures in RAW mode and edited them on Adobe Lightroom. I hope this video helps you decide if it's a good camera for you or not. Now I think we got enough. Let's go back inside because it's cold as fuck. And let's wrap this video. So there you go. If you have a GoPro, if you have a different opinion, I would love to hear about it. Please comment below. I want to see the comments and hear what you guys think about it. Do you have the 9? Do you have the one before? Do you like using GoPro? Please leave a comment. And also, if you like this video, click on the like button and see you next time. Ciao. Oh, this is fun.
Oh.